Once you've installed Zoom, you might want to go ahead and set up your preferences. You start at the home screen by launching Zoom from your desktop, and then you select the settings wheel. I think it's a good idea to go ahead and start with your profile. And the reason for this, let's go to Edit My Profile. Let's make sure you're on the right Zoom account. You should be at cfc.zoom.us, not a personal account that you may have set up with your Gmail account or your CFC account, but your corporate account, your corporate Zoom account. Okay, once that's confirmed, let's go ahead and we can close our browser, and let's start over here at the General tab. This allows you to have dual monitors. It allows you to enter full screen when starting. I tend to not like those. I do like to have the copy the invitation of the URL is good. Ask to confirm when I leave the meeting. It's always a good thing to know that you've left the meeting. Show your meeting duration, and I'm on a Mac, so I've got Zoom on my menu bar. It's also good to have a reminder every 15 minutes before the upcoming session. I don't have stop my audio and video when my screensaver begins. I think that's not needed. You can set your theme to light the way I have it. You can go to dark or pick up whatever system settings you have. And you can have your reaction skin tone here. And you can go to more detailed settings by selecting that, and that goes to the Zoom website. But a lot of that's covered here. On the video side, as you can see, I've got a custom background, and I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. I do pick the widescreen as opposed to the original ratio. I have not enabled my HD, and that really sucks up more bandwidth, so I haven't done that here. And mirror your video if you want to have another screen. This is sort of an interesting thing. It's touch up my appearance. It's supposed to smooth lines on your skin and make you a little more appealing. I haven't noticed it makes any difference. So under the meetings, always display the participant name with the videos, which is a great thing. I don't have that turn off video when joining a meeting. I mean, we're here to part of these times is to show our faces and show that everybody's a part of this game in together. But if you're doing a lot, you expect a lot of people there, you may want to have that. Always show the video preview dialog before joining. This allows you to decide whether you want to show your video or not. And spotlight my video when speaking. In other words, when I'm speaking, then my video shows up and some others might be diminished. On the audio side, it's just as a good thing to do the first time you've used it, just to make sure that your speakers and your microphone's working. And you can join by computer audio, so you can make that decision. And it's a nice little thing here. You can press the space key to temporarily unmute yourself. Share screen stuff, just sort of leave this as standard. On the chat, again, leave it as standard, but you might want to go ahead and change some themes with your sidebar if that's what you want to do. On the virtual background, so as you can see, I've added a JPEG. This is a little town I used to visit in Spain. If you want to choose another one, just use that plus sign right there, and that'll allow you to pick another background, or you can have the sort of standard backgrounds. I think it's a good idea to have a background, virtual background, so it doesn't show any clutter that you might have in your office like I do. On the recording side, it allows you to show where you want to store all of your recordings, and if you want to optimize a video editor that you might have, that's a third-party editor, you can do that. The statistics is really not necessary here in case you want to play with that. You might want to take a look at accessibility if that's important to you, because then you can change the size of your subtitles to be smaller or larger, and always show your meeting controls. So that's it for your settings. It's a good thing to do, and enjoy your Zoom meetings. And if you have any questions, you can always go to help.cfc.edu. Thanks.